gorgeous. And big too, 8 tons. And one over there, that's a big male. It's at least 25 feet, 8 meters long.
A male and a female Stegosaurus are also scrounging for food. For an animal the length of a bus and the weight of a rhino, its snout is small and toothless. Still, it's the largest dinosaur of its kind in the world. The plates on its back and its tail, bristling with 4-inch spikes, are designed to repel the
earliest dinosaurs.
Standing perhaps 6 or 7 feet tall at the hip and stretching for several tens of feet.
And a notch right at the end. Strange head. It looks a little like a crocodile snout. It would make a good snapping weapon for catching fast, slippery prey, including fish.
The giant herbivore packs away 700 pounds of vegetation per day. To protect itself, the Columbian mammoth is armed with a pair of giant tusks. They can get up to 16 feet long and across a land bridge to America in about 2 million BC. 20,000 years ago, mammoths roamed Los Angeles in herds of up to 20 individuals. But strangely, even though mammoths dominated Ice Age LA, not many are found in the La Brea tar pits. Zed, the mammoth, was one of those males. The question is, why did only males get stuck? Paleontologists believe the simple explanation is sex. When a male reached sexual maturity, he went rogue, pushed out of the herd to find his own mate. Male mammoths wandered, looking for partners, looking for trouble. Zed found it. Conflicts with other lusty males were one danger for lone mammoths. Another was the tar. A herd of mammoths might be able to help one of their own to freedom from the sticky pit. A rogue male can't free himself alone. Stuck.
Velociraptors like these wiped out her pack. She has reason to fear them.
Life in the rainforest during
The Triceratops is fast and well-armored enough to stand a chance against T-Rex, but not against 2 of them. Hunting as a pair, one T-Rex could get behind the deadly horns and armored collar.
Spots them feeding. It's an odd-looking predator with stunted horns and tiny stub-like forearms. More worrisome, its razor-sharp fangs and the fact that it's hungry, very hungry. The 25-foot-long predator moves in for the kill.
Evolving over millions of years to thrive in water.
It is one of the great mysteries of the dinosaur era that every other major group has seemed to invade the water. And no dinosaur had ever done this. Never a dinosaur with a fin for swimming. Never a dinosaur.
Нам удалось найти ключ к загадке о происхождении перьев.
Apart from flight, this reptile has nothing in common with birds. And evolution gave it nothing to survive the impending dramatic events.